Good morning sir, this is my video explanation sa PS2 na problem. So, in this part sir, it is the priority or normal martial magipang declare dire. Tapos dire sir, it is the pass by reference kibali ko an swap to patient records, So in this part sir, it is also a pass by value na that show the original record nga it is unchanged. Tapos dire it is basag kuan no wala siya output here na proof lang the original is dili affected. Here sir, it is the recursive function. Print serve IDs in print siya ID in reverse order. So next part is so in this part sir, it is the priority rule. More siya ganang ikuan niya ang need i-priority tapos ang order po ang preserve nga order o ang priority ang unsay priority kanang priority nga tao. Tapos in this part sir, in this part sir, it is the final Q order diri mao ni siya ang nagakuan print. There sir, it is the number of patient nga na serve ay serve patients mao ni siya. Serve patients. Tapos dire sir, dire nga part sir is the average age serve patients. Kibali average age sa mga na-serve nga patients dire nga part. Dire sir, it is the count of unserved patients or wala na serve nga patients dire. Dire sir, it is the recursive reverse output. Dire sir, it is pass by value, no visible effect, but function exists. So I'll show a sample run. Mao siyang sample run sir. If invalid imo input.